An ABC 17 Storm Track weather alert day is in effect for tomorrow for our first chance of snow for the season. I'll be tracking some wintry weather during the day tomorrow into early tomorrow evening. For the western half of the area, areas west of Highway 63 have the best chance of seeing winter impacts through tomorrow afternoon and early evening. Temperatures will be falling down into the 30s across most of mid-Missouri tonight, and as that precipitation starts to move in by tomorrow morning, we'll start off near freezing in a few of our western counties, and that's where we'll have the best chance of seeing any snowfall accumulation. The farther south you go, the temperatures will be a little bit warmer overnight into the upper 30s. Here's our setup. We have a lot of moisture out to the west. We have low pressure across the Rockies. That's going to send moisture in our direction going into tonight and tomorrow. You'll see some of those snow showers ongoing from parts of Wisconsin all the way back into Nebraska and Colorado. That's going to be heading into our area by tomorrow morning. I'm stopping our future track here as that moisture starts to fill in. It'll start off as rain for parts of the area. This is at 7 o'clock as temperatures are still around 34 to 35 from Brunswick to Sedalia. But temperatures should be right around freezing by 7 or 8 o'clock and hold into the low 30s throughout the morning. You'll see there will be a sharp cutoff during the day between snowfall, a mix, and rain. So areas south of I-70 likely will see a cold rain during the day. Jefferson City will be around 36 with that very chilly rain. Columbia right on that line of rain and snow during the day. Farther north from Moberly to Marshall to Sedalia, that's where we'll see snowfall accumulation through mid-afternoon. By the time we get to about 3 or 4 o'clock, those temperatures warm enough into the mid-levels of the atmosphere where we see mostly rain. Could have a bit of a mix along I-70 for the evening commute, and that could make things somewhat slushy during the evening. Going into the night, most of that precipitation will slide off to the east and southeast, leaving us drier for Thursday morning, but we will be starting out in the upper 20s and low 30s. So elevated areas like bridges and overpasses could be somewhat slick going into Tuesday morning. Tuesday afternoon, some rainfall potentially for areas south of I-70. We'll have a better chance later in the week, though, as I'll be tracking more low pressure with another chance of showers and storms by Wednesday and Thursday. Here's the breakdown of where we could see the best chances for snowfall accumulation tomorrow. Moberly to Sedalia, likely going to see the most snowfall from 1 to 2 inches. Columbia will be right on that line, so we'll likely see some snowflakes, but not much of accumulation. Jefferson City and the lake area, not going to see much outside of rainfall. Here's that snow tracker, 1 to 2 inches possible here in this dark blue area. Moberly, Brunswick, Marshall, potentially Sedalia too, all in that zone. Boonville as well as Howard County. Northern Boone County all the way back through Versailles and Warsaw could see about a ½ inch to an inch, and that would include Paris and Mexico as well. This could shift a little bit depending on the temperatures, but this is a general outlook for what we can expect through tomorrow afternoon. Here's our ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast. A lot of changes through the middle of the week too. I'll be tracking another area of low pressure Wednesday night into Thursday. That'll bring us a good chance at showers and thunderstorms and potentially some high rainfall amounts. Anywhere from 2 to 4 inches of rainfall will be possible between now and Friday. Thankfully, though, we'll be drying out towards the end of the week, and it looks like we're going to have a dry Halloween next Saturday with temperatures getting back to near 60 degrees in the afternoon.